We are live. Hello mga kakwenta, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight, we'll talk about something very close to my heart, which is scars. So now, when you hear the word scars, ano agad yung naiisip mo? Pain, shame, something you'd rather hide. Most of us try to cover our scars, whether physical man yan or scars we carry inside. Kasi naisip natin, people will judge us. People won't understand. But here's the truth. Scars are not ugly. They are not proof of weaknesses. They are proof that you have survived. So mga kakwento, let me ask you, have you experienced a moment when everything felt like it was falling apart? Maybe nawalan ka ng work, or a relationship that ended, or plans that didn't turn out the way you hoped it. Ako mismo dumaan ako dyan. There were times I felt lost, scared, and yung scared and I cannot see my face in StreamYard. Hello, Mike Tess. I hope you can hear me. I'm not sure if my internet is fluctuating. Uh, I, why I cannot see my face? Okay, now I can see my face. So, asan na ba ako? So yun, maybe nawalan ng work or relationship na nag-end. So ako mismo dumaan ako diyan. There were times I felt lost, scared, and ashamed of failures. I hope you can hear me. Sa mga manunod mamaya ng replay, I even thought na kung pwede lang sana burahin lahat ng mali sa kasakit na pinagdaanan ko. But you know what? Over time, I realize the scars that we try to hide are the same scars that remind us we're still here, still fighting, still standing. And sometimes those scars that give us the courage to move forward. Hello, Mike Tess. So let me share you a story. May kakilala ako, just like many OFWs who grew up poor. She carried out scares of poverty, broken dreams, and sacrifices. She thought those scars would always hold her back. But instead of hiding them, she embraced them. She used them as fuel to start a new journey, a digital business. And now those scars of struggle have turned into struggles of victory. Yung scars niya are not marks of shame anymore. They are testimonies of faith, courage, and resilience. So mga kakwento, maybe you also have scars. Maybe financial struggles or family conflicts, disappointment in love or in career, or maybe naiisip mo, I can't start again. My scars are too big, too ugly. But let me tell you this, scars are signs that you are healed. They are reminders that you went through the fire and came out stronger. Kumbaga, they're proof na bumangon ka kahit ilang beses ka natumba. So imagine if you stop hiding your scars and instead use them to inspire others. What if someone is waiting to hear your story para sila rin yung hindi sumuko? What if your scars are the reason someone else keeps going? So tonight I want you to take this with you. Your scars don't define you. They refine you. They are not your chains. They are badges of courage. So don't hide them. Let your scars show. Because when you do, you give others permission to heal, to rise, and to believe that life after pain is possible. And always remember, scars are not the end of your story. They are just proof that your story continues. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.